This is Stephanie from statistics.howto.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate a chi-square statistic. Here's the formula. We have the sum of observed values minus expected values, and those are all squared, divided by our expected values. The summation symbol tells you things are going to get a little ugly, but I'll break it down into a series of steps using a table. Here's the question we want to answer. We have 256 visual artists and they were surveyed to find out their zodiac signs. We're going to assume that those zodiac signs are going to be evenly distributed across the 12 signs. But it's possible more artists are Aquarians or Capricorns than other signs. So we're going to eventually test that hypothesis, but for now we're just going to calculate the test statistic. So here's our table. In the first column, the category, we're just going to write down all of the different star signs. In the second column, our observed values, those are the values that the respondents gave to us in the survey. Now we have to do our first calculation, that is for the expected value. If we had 256 people, we would expect to find 256 divided by 12. That comes out to 21.333. We'd expect to find around 21 people in each of those different zodiac signs. In the fourth column, we're going to put our residual. A residual is an error, and that just means it's a difference between what we observed and what we would expect. So to get that figure, you just subtract column 3 from column 2. For example, we have 29 minus 21.333. That gives us 7.667. For the fifth column, we want to square all of those figures from column 4. For example, 7.667 squared is 58.782889. For column 6, we're going to take our figures in column 5 and divide it by the expected value in column 3. For example, we'll take that 58.782889 and divide it by 21.333 to get 2.755491. The last step is we want to sum up all of those values. When we add all of those together, we get 5.094. And that is our chi-square statistic. In the next video, I'll use that statistic to perform the hypothesis test. Thanks for checking in, and I'll see you in the next video.